Do you own sprinkler valves that look like this, but you'd like to hide them like this? Now you can with this easy-to-build, great-looking, customizable box. With our easy-to-follow guide, Josh and I will show you how to select the right materials, how to measure and cut the boards, how to assemble it in less than an hour with our easy step-by-step videos and notes. The key to our method is the proven calculator that we've included that makes it a cinch. No fumbling with measurements. Just enter the dimensions of the valve manifold, then the board lengths and other information are provided instantly. It's that simple. If you can do this, this, and this, you can do this. It's that easy. I've been in the landscape industry since 1984, and I've been asked a jillion times by my clients whether I was aware of any decent product on the market for covering or hiding sprinkler valves. I always kept my eyes open for a product that could be customizable for each situation, since everyone's valve manifolds are different heights and lengths. I have never seen anything suitable and had given it lots of thought, but never came up with anything until one day when my son Josh and I were walking through our client's backyard listening to Christy tell us what she had in mind with her landscape enhancements. To meet her needs, we decided to use rustic and durable wood features. As she was finishing, the last thing she said was, "And figure out some way to cover those ugly sprinkler valves. That's a must." So the challenge was on to create a box that would fit her surroundings, be durable, and could be duplicatable for the masses. Hey, we figured if we could please one person with a good design, then we could please thousands, right? So I designed the box you're looking at now, and Josh engineered it. We dubbed them Josh's boxes. Anyway, in about 2 years' time, Josh and I made over 100 of these for our clients. Josh lives in a different state now, but we created a way for you to build your own Josh's boxes with Josh as your instructor on video and easy-to-follow tips. To take advantage of this offer, just click the link below.